What is up, comic creators? I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on exporting your projects within iMovie. So I've got my completed project here, video I did on how to upload a YouTube video a couple years back. I'm just going to show you how to export this quickly. So the first thing you'll do is in the top right hand corner, very top right hand corner of your screen, you will see a small file share icon that's way up there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right up in the very top right of the dashboard here. Once you click it, it'll give you some options for sharing, and you'll go ahead and click the export option there, a little white icon, and once you click that, that's going to open up your menu for your export options. I'm on the left hand side here. When you move your mouse around, you can view different shots in your project itself. You'll see that red bar that allows you to see everything. You can change the title of your project. I'm going to go ahead and change it from this iMovie to the best YouTube video ever. So there you go. And then you've got descriptions, you've got tags, you've got format, which I don't mess with description or tags much anymore, but format allows you to change it from video, audio. Obviously you want both video and audio. And then you've got your resolution. Now, if you did not, you want to, the best settings for your video is setting this to whatever you captured the footage in. If you set it to 4K, look how that changes the file size there. And you didn't film in 4K, you're going to wind up taking up more space on your device for no reason. So this here is the quality, and you can go best pro, but look at what that does. So I'm making tutorial videos. I'm not making footage that involves cities and all this stuff. So, if I go back to high, that's good enough for me. I don't need anything crazier than that. If you go medium or low, that's a great way to save space, but it does affect, your quality there. I mean, you could go custom, but that gets a little bit more difficult here. I used to have to do stuff like this when I was uploading projects for a local TV station for an organization I'm working with, they wanted me to kind of adjust this kind of stuff, but I did this in Adobe Premiere. I wasn't doing this in iMovie. So with this setting, you really should never have to get into this, but this is basically doing that low, medium, high option on your own. Just if you stick with low, medium, or high, or best, if you're really trying to crank out high quality footage, you should be fine there. You don't need to mess with this that much. I used to have to cut it in half in order to get it to a file size that the local TV station could use, because they didn't have the higher end equipment to do 4K videos at the time. So just know this, that boosting all this stuff to max is not going to help your video at all. Like the 4K or any of that, you want to match what you did. So click next, bottom right hand side. That gives you the options to export the project to a specific area. The little arrow down there opens up your bigger menu, or you can just select your place it's going to here. And then you can change your title one last time, and then you click next, and that starts the exporting process in the top right hand side of the screen. You'll see that little circle there. That is tracking your export process. If you click it, you'll see an actual estimation on time of how long it's going to take to export. But that should get you guys set up and going where you're at right now. You can just kind of monitor that. If you want to cancel it, you can actually click that little X that's up in that drop down menu there. If you cancel and if you click that X, it'll just stop the whole thing. So that way, if you made a mistake. But all right. Hey, if you kept watching through this video up to this point, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. All those things really help the channel growth, and I want to thank you guys for all the growth that we are seeing. I appreciate it very much. All of your interactions and engagements help the channel grow. It feeds the algorithm, which is exactly what we need. Please take the time to check out more of the iMovie tutorials I have on my channel. I'm remaking a lot of those for the new year and making all new versions. And let me know if you guys have any questions or comments in the comment section below. See if I can help you at all. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.